Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get weather prediction on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, we need to add weather widget to our home screen. You can tap and hold on any empty area of your home screen, and then the screen will look like this, and you're going to click on widget, and here we're going to add the weather widget. You can scroll down until you find the weather widget. This one, guys. Tap on that, and then you can choose the type of the widget you want to add to your home screen. And I'm going to select weather forecast. Okay, I'm going to add it to my home screen, and this is the weather prediction. If you want to get like details prediction, you can tap on that like this, and you will be able to get a weather prediction right here. You will be able to get information about the humidity and then UV index and also the pressure. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to get a weather prediction on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.